Commando 4 here. I'm gonna introduce you. Now you can hear that. My new dog, Oliver. That's Oliver, huh? Sorry about that. That's Oliver. He was a stray dog, and he came up to our door, and we adopted him. And if we don't find his parents or owners, is what I mean, we get to keep him. So we probably are right now. And yeah, this is my new dog. Hi, Oliver. Come on. Oliver. Yeah. Still new to us. It's gonna take him a while to get used to the name Oliver. Hey, Oliver. Buddy. Oh, yeah. Here, I'll show you his sweet spot. If I can get it to activate. Hey, Oliver. Oh. It's not activating right now. But he has a pretty good weak spot. I mean, not weak spot, sweet spot. Around here and around it. Right here. It's my new dog. So yeah. I wanted to introduce you guys Oliver. So that was all I wanted to introduce to you guys. And it's getting late. And my siblings are in bed. Peace. Bye.